I'm Eric Long, Technical Services here at American WeatherStar. In this system view video, we're going to go over the installation process of our Met-A-Gard Met-A-Gard Plus systems designed for metal roofs. If your roof is experiencing leaks or showing signs of age or rust, and you would like to have your roof evaluated by American WeatherStar approved contractor, or would like more information regarding our Met-A-Gard systems, please give us a call at 800-771-6643 or visit our website, americanweatherstar.com.
Step 1. Surface preparation. Before the Met-A-Gard system can be installed, the roof is pressure washed to remove any dirt, dust, or debris. This is done to ensure proper adhesion of the coatings product to the roof substrate. Any problem areas found during surface preparation are repaired in accordance to manufacturer's specifications. For some metal roofs affected by rust, factory paint, or prior coatings, a primer application of red oxide Rust Prime 912 is required to achieve proper adhesion. For this aged bare metal roof, a primer was not necessary. Step 2. Waterproofing details. All fasteners, seams, penetrations, and other flashing details are coated using a thick waterproofing mastic. These areas of the roof are especially important to address because they are the most common spots for leaks to occur and enable the system to withstand the natural expansion and contraction of the roof surface. Step 3. Base coat application. A base coat of acrylic 211 is applied to the roof. This ivory-colored coating helps installers maintain uniform mill thickness and is specifically designed for maximum adhesion to metal roof surfaces. Step 4. Top coat application. A white top coat of acrylic 211 is then applied to the roof, providing the system with maximum UV stability and reflectivity. This coating contains strong algicides that ensure the roof will remain bright white for the life of the system. For jobs requiring custom color tints or longer warranty options, the Met-A-Gard Plus system utilizes high tensile acrylic 211, which is an advanced high solids elastomeric coating uniquely formulated with superior tensile strength, elongation, and color retention. With the installation completed, the Met-A-Gard system will protect the roof against future leaks, help lower energy costs, reduce internal building temperatures, and extend the service life of the roof. Like all American WeatherStar roof restoration systems, the Met-A-Gard and Met-A-Gard Plus systems must be installed by an American WeatherStar approved contractor. This system is eligible for a 5, 10, 12, or 15-year warranty, along with the option of a material or labor and material warranty. Ask your American WeatherStar approved contractor for more details, including the StarGuard Plus warranty extension plan.